Here's how you can use Scan2Notes to turn your printed sheet music into a digital score which you can play back and edit with absolutely no effort. Let me show you how it's done. First, open up Scan2Notes in your browser and photograph a score or upload the PDF of your sheet music. Just like that. And click on Scan. And that's it. Really, it's that simple. And now we can play back the notes and edit them however we like, and download the sheet music in many formats like PDF, MIDI, Music XML, and many more. And the best part? You can try it now completely for free. So go ahead, head over to klang.io/Scan2Notes.